Let us understand the step-by-step process of recording a miscellaneous received note in Strategic ERP. In the Miscellaneous Received Note module, under Site Management, you can create entries for adding opening stock or receiving stock from other projects, godowns, or crusher plants. Let us first learn how to create an opening stock entry. Enter the MRN date for the stock addition to a specific project. Select the name of the company, project name, and subproject name. Select the godown name under which you are adding the data. You can manually enter the slip number and challan number if applicable. Select the item code for the items you want to add as opening stock. Enter additional details such as item description, unit, challan quantity, received quantity, GRN stock and rate. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. This action adds an opening stock entry to your selected godown. To add or receive materials from a project or godown, let us see how to create a project transfer receipt. The details, such as issuing project to transfer project, will be fetched automatically. You can view details such as the name of company, project name, from project, from company, from subproject and transaction type. The details will appear under the Miscellaneous Item Received tab in the draft stage. Select the godown name where you want to receive the materials. You can verify the quantities and add lost quantities, if any. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. For godown transfer receipt, data will be fetched from the goods issue note. Check the data for discrepancies and enter lost quantity, expiry date, and test report number, if applicable. Add remarks, if any. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. Once approved, the stock will be added to your selected godown. The process of recording a miscellaneous received note is now complete.